You open Instagram, planning to quickly just check what's new, and suddenly an hour has disappeared. Why? Because social media is designed to keep you hooked. But here's the thing, what if we could use the same psychological hack to make learning addictive? Not just something you have to do, but something you want to do. Let me show you how. Hello and welcome to CourseCorrect, your upskilling partner. The key here is a framework called the hook model. It's what apps like Instagram and TikTok use to keep us scrolling, and we can use it to turbocharge our learning. It has 4 parts: trigger, action, variable reward, and investment. Let's break it down, and don't worry, I'll throw in some actionable tips along the way. Let's start with trigger. Social media triggers are things like notifications. Your friend tagged you in a photo, your friend liked your photo, or you've got 20 new likes, things like those. For learning, you need triggers that spark curiosity and action. A simple way to create this is by setting a daily reminder on your phone or calendar that asks, what one thing I can learn today to move closer to my goal? Tie it to something meaningful. For example, if you are aiming for a promotion, set a reminder titled, Learn One Excel Shortcut for Success. These small intentional prompts keep you focused and help you learn regularly. Another way to trigger learning is by framing your study material around a real-world question. Instead of starting with something dry, like the structure of a cell, ask, what would happen if humans didn't have cells? Or rather than memorizing endless formulas, try how do astronauts use math to survive in space? That sounds cool, right? When you reframe your learning with real-world stakes, it's no longer just information, it's a story you want to explore. Next, we have action. Social media keeps actions ridiculously simple. Just one scroll, one click. For learning, this means breaking your tasks into the tiniest possible steps. Want to read a book? Just aim to read one page. Want to learn a language? Start with a 5-minute practice. The smaller the action, the more likely you are to start. Here's a game-changing tip. Use the 2-minute rule. Promise yourself, I'll just do this for 2 minutes. The hardest part is starting. Believe me. And once you are in, it's easy to keep going. It's kind of like exploring Quora on CourseCorrect, our AI-powered chatbot. You tell yourself just one question, but before you know it, you're deep into discovering the perfect courses for your goals. I know I'm marketing a bit, but why not? Starting small is all it takes to build momentum. Now let's talk about variable rewards. Social media is the king of this. It keeps you guessing. Will this next post make me laugh, cry, teach me a new dance move? In learning, we can create similar excitement with gamification. So apps like Duolingo use streaks, points, and levels to make progress feel rewarding. Even a simple checklist can give you that little dopamine boost when you tick something off. But here's the trick. Keep the rewards unpredictable. For example, treat yourself to something you love, like your favorite snack or a quick YouTube break, but only after you hit a study milestone. The unpredictability keeps it exciting. Finally, we've got investment. On social media, you invest by liking, commenting, or sharing. In learning, your investment is the time and effort you put in. The more you invest, the harder it is to quit. This is where building a streak or creating a habit tracker comes in. The longer your streak, the more motivated you'll be to keep it going. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who could use a productivity boost, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to hack your learning game. Oh, and drop a comment below. What's one thing you are learning right now? Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.